Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. So in this short video I'll be showing you how to disable search engine visibility of your WordPress website from the cPanel. So if you haven't liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm right now inside the cPanel. I'll quickly log into my cPanel, and in the cPanel all you have to do is just scroll down and find WordPress Manager by Softaculous. And you can see we have one active installation on my website here. Just click on this down arrow, and from this settings here, these are configuration settings that you can enable or disable. Make sure to disable this search engine visibility. So once you do this, your website, if it is under construction or if it is not ready, it will not be indexed on Google search engine. It will not be visible on Google search engine. So that way you can save this settings easily, and you don't have to worry about your website which is still under construction, which is not ready to show on search results, and that you have to delete on Google Search Console, request for removal. So just disable this and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.